Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. I wanted to share with you this uplifting song with Paul Russell and Meghan Trainor, Slippin'. Slipping through your fingers. So, a nice song, very summery song, I believe, and yeah, it's just uplifting. So, fits guitar very well. We have a capo set on 3rd fret, and with that we have 4 easy chords, the G, A minor, C, and D. Let's take a look at this cool song. And we're gonna start with the G, and that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. That is the G, over to A minor, and it goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have C next. So that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is D. And it goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so we gotta learn the strumming pattern like we normally do. So grab the first chord, which is the G, and it goes down, up, clap, down, up. Okay, so down, short pause, and then up, clap, down, up. Okay, so the last down ups, just short down ups, like you go down and just turn your wrist up. So it goes fast there, so. Alright, that's the rhythm. Now let's look into the song. And the intro and verse play is played in the same way. It starts with the intro. So you're gonna play 2 string rounds for G and 2 string rounds for A minor. You go back and forth like this between these 2 chords for 4 rounds. So G2, A minor 2 times 4. And yeah, it goes like this. Alright, so the intro is 4 rounds, and like I said, the verse plays played in the same way for another 4 rounds. After 3 rounds, here happens the pre-chorus, where are about 49 seconds into the song, and you're gonna continue with the same strumming. Now the chord progression is different. You're gonna play C, 2 string rounds, then G, 2 string rounds, then C, 2, and then D2. So C, G, C, D. 2 string rounds per chord, only for this 1 chord progression round, and it goes like this. And then after that happens the first chorus. And guess what? It's played in the exact same way as the verse and even the intro. G2, A minor 2 for 4 rounds. I think we know about that now. We don't have to play through that. And after this first chorus comes the post-chorus part. You're gonna play G2, A minor 2, G2, and then A minor 1 and D1. Okay? So G2, A minor 2, G2, A minor 1, D1. Let's do that together, only for this 1 chord progression round, like this. And that D chord turns everything into the second round of the song. And the second verse is played in the exact same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus. That happens about 1 and 48 seconds into the song, and then also the second chorus and even the second post-chorus. So everything is repetition in the second round. And after that second post-chorus part comes the chorus playing, okay? So, the post-chorus playing. You just continue with this post-chorus play, which is the G2, A minor 2, G2, A minor 1, and D1. You play that for another 2 rounds. So that means in the final post-chorus part, the second one, you're gonna play that round, 1 round, plus an extra 2 as an outro, and that is the end of Russell's and Trainor's Slippin'. A nice song to learn, and yeah, I really like the feeling in the song here, a little bit playful and simple chords that combined makes it. So thank you for supporting me, guys. I do my best to make you happy and educate you into guitar playing and make you safe guitarists. So yeah, hope I managed to do that. And if you appreciate my work, then feel free to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, and play tuned.